ladies and gents, welcome to another vloggy vlog as you find me cruising on the BQE. I'm on my way to the Catskills. Got about 150 miles ahead of me, and this rain was supposed to start around 1 and it's definitely 10:30, so we're riding into the rain. But where I'm riding, there's actually no rain at all. Supposedly it's sunny. So we'll see if we can outrun the rain. Not worried. Gonna be a little bit of lane splitting, little of this, little of that. I got my Revit gear on. Waterproof, Gore-Tex, everything. Gonna get ahead of these folks because I'm not exactly sure why we're chilling like such. Don't need to be in traffic before traffic starts, right? I've also adjusted my rear suspension with my buddy D. Gave it a little more preload. I was crazy under. So, a little more preload. Feels good. Actually feels better. Not as bouncy. Gotta mess with the front a little bit. All good. Look at these people. Like, why are we doing this? Why do we have gaps like this on a Friday morning in traffic? Nerds. So yeah, I'm going upstate for a damn week. Feels a little wrong because I have all these things I gotta do. All these things I gotta do in New York City. Well, not all these things, and I can do them remotely as well, but there are tasks that occupy the old mind. I'll handle them. And look at this, yeah. Educational moment. I like that gray. Yeah, we're cruising in the rain. A bunch of people. Look at them. Why they're braking like this, I don't know. Who knows? I don't really want to lane split past the cop. I'm sorry, my bad. That's an awful move. Sorry. Fucking guy. I don't understand why we got traffic here. This is usually not a traffic area. Visibility is a little bit diminished due to the tunnelage and the rain. Sheesh. We're proper stuck now. I could split to the front, right? Should I? I could. Let's see what happens here. And then we'll make the decision. Because I feel like there's a little bit of a split here. After this, we'll be able to decide. Yeah, let's go. We're not doing that. That's for certain. It's so nice to have good gear like this. Because I'm completely warm. Even though I did put on a long sleeve t-shirt, like a baby thermal at the end. I didn't really need it, I guess, but I did put it on. Look at these folks. Look at these gaps. Fucking taxis, man. Even though I don't mind the rain because I'm not really getting wet, I don't really want it either, because I'd like a chill, dry ride so I can actually stop and enjoy some, you know, some great outdoors. Stand by a river and whatnot, listen to a book. because when it's wet like this, it's not very enjoyable. I mean, I'll still stop to have a drink and take a pee or whatever, but beyond that, there's not too much. I want to lane split past the ambulance, but I don't think I can. I mean, I certainly can, but I don't think I should. Maybe I should. Are we going or not? I wonder if there's any voltage at the end there. Is it quiet? Possibly might be. This is a busy time. I'm heading right now. It's all good. Ambulance back there. Doing ambulance shit. Splitting nice and gentle. Like a baby. This person is fucking crazy, bro. I don't know what they're doing, but I like it. Big fan. I'm getting ahead of the Yamaha or Audi, and I'm doing one of these. Is there a cop right there? I can't tell. There might be. It's nice and smooth here. Kind of appreciate that. Yeah, it's a traffic mess. Not much to do, but blend in and enjoy. Might not be the best place to vlog, you know what I mean? Simply because it's fucking kind of a silly place. And now we're gonna get to the left all the way. And we're good. We're Gucci. Well, you're blocking me there, champion. Cool story, man. Cool story. I mean, these people are from PA. I do see the cops up ahead doing something. I think they're just cruising, lane splitting themselves. Me to exit, but we're not doing that. Come on, Virginia, bro, what are you doing? Why would you not fucking get ahead? Why are we playing these games? It's gonna be like this the whole time? I think so. Well, it's a work day. Fucking work day. Yeah. All the way to frickin' the bridge. We're gonna deal with this shit. There we go. The New York State experience. That's for sure. Oh boy. I think the traffic clears up, but hard to tell. At least it's not raining as hard anymore. The sheriff, bro. No, it's still raining. Just drizzling now. They got a Maverick pickup truck undercover and the sheriff car. It's pretty sick. Crazy. All sorts of towing happening this fine morning. Can't tell. Beautiful bridge. Look at these gaps, bro. Yo, what up? Broken car here. This fucking guy. What you doing, Bubba? With that brand new 7? Not going that way, that's for sure. Island. Nope, nope, nope. None of that. Too bad I didn't get to wave to that Panigale fella. Seemed like a nice ride. Check him out on the camera later. Police ahead. Uh-oh. Sort of a situation here. Sheesh. Yep, I jinxed it. Started to rain harder. But luckily I have all the gas. I have enough gas for the next 2 hours. And hopefully in 2 hours the weather changes. Maybe it doesn't. Who knows? What's happening here? Oh boy. fire truck over here. Perhaps it's an accident. Very active morning this morning. A lot of things going on. I like that. I'm a very gentle splitter today. I'm doing it by the book. What the fuck? That's kind of crazy. That truck is literally lane splitting. Okay. A little weird. Let it go. Really focus squeezing me and shit. Come on, man, there's a whole lane ahead. Can I please just get by? Or you guys are that upset about that shit? Ooh, that's a nice body kit though. Rain. Isn't this crazy? I've been riding for like 20 minutes and I haven't even left the city. Still in the thick of it. But we're getting there. We are surely getting there. Look at this fucking dickhead blocking the whole shot. Go ahead, dude. What the fuck? Why are you changing lanes? Why are you changing lanes, dude? Weirdo. Alright. It's proper rain now. It's all good. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck was that about? Person, man. Locked in. Locked in. It is certainly still rainy in Jersey. I guarantee you. Oh, gravy. Yeah. It'd be nice if the rain stops. Not a huge fan of it, especially right now. The water is like pooling by my crotch, so that's why I got a little bit of wetness. I don't have really room to do it right now. To like, because yeah, anyway, doesn't matter. Basically my belly is a little wet because my jacket is like not opened up but pulled up a little, and now is not the time to be taking hands off the steering wheel. There we go. It's not even raining hard, it's just a drizzle, but due to the speed of the motorcycle, the movement, I'm getting wet. Or not wet, but you know, outside, moist. It's a serious situation right here. Wicked. This is wicked. Ooh, that's a nice Beamer right there though. That's cute as hell. Interesting that the light is on. Look at that shit. Go.